In the monthly report, we have taken a slightly different approach, wanted to help industry assess the performance of a particular month in two respects. One is based on the historical call. So in this graph, you're able to see how each of the indicators have fared in respect to the values which have been called from history at almost the same weighted average count and capacity utilization in the overall deviation being shown for the entire month. And below you have all the historical trend analysis of each of the different indicators. And if you would want to look at individual data for any particular indicator, you can just click on the tab, get the idea of how the indicators have fared on an individual daily basis. One of the interesting things we have done, and that is considering, let's say, whether a client is on board for ISO 50001 or part of an overall market-based mechanism such as PAT scheme. So normalization becomes an important aspect. In what we've done here in the monthly report, we've given the flexibility to the user to decide a baseline stroke a reference period based on which the indicators would automatically be normalized, and you would have the indicators, the normalized indicators in respect to fit factors such as capacity utilization, product mix, productivity, so on and so forth. And one of the other things that we've done, we thought that is important at some point in time for management to know exactly how much they've been able to save in terms of money, in terms of units. So we've gone ahead, used the algorithm to generate how the indicators have changed over the month in respect to baseline period. Of course, there's a series of complex regression analysis and forecasting model that runs at the background and gives the client an indicator of how much has been lost or saved in different processes and sub processes. So it gives, in a sense, an overall roundup of how the month has fared, and and based on which the energy managers and the overall team can take more specific actions towards reducing or managing their energy performance overall.